The Best 5 Resorts in Thailand, Part 1. Phulay Bay Ritz-Carlton Reserve. The 5-star Phulay Bay Ritz-Carlton Reserve is located along the shores of the Andaman Sea in Krabi. Boasting 24-hour butler services, it also has an infinity pool, spa, and 5 restaurants. Luxurious and set within tropical gardens, rooms at Phulay Bay Ritz-Carlton feature beautiful Thai wooden decor and stylish bathrooms. Each is equipped with a flat-screen cable/satellite TV and DVD player. Ocean views and fresh evening breeze can be enjoyed from the private veranda. ESPA at Phulay Bay features private treatment rooms, a spa pool, and fresh fruit juice at Raw Spa Cafe. Guests may exercise at the fitness center, or take part in a unique cultural experience with Thai cooking and batik painting lessons. Using only the finest ingredients, Asian and Western delights can be enjoyed at Jampun International Restaurant and Play Pha Restaurant. The best of Thai cooking is available at Sri Tang, while grilled fresh seafood is served at La Lay Pavilion. Chomtawan Lounge offers beautiful sunset views and refreshing cocktails. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.